Hey guys, and fall is finally upon us, meaning it is acceptable to wear layers, cardigans and plaid. So I had to paint my nails for this. So today I'm back with these Burberry nails. If you don't know what Burberry is, it's a UK fashion brand, and the most famous attributes of the brand is their iconic Burberry check pattern that they make or put in the inlining of their clothes. And I thought it was funky, so I thought and full. If you want to know I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting all of my nails with 2 coats of Starfish from Burberry. It's the coconut infusion range. And I'm so sorry, but I've lost the footage of me stamping the actual pattern. But it's from my Moyu London Punk 09 plate, and I used a black stamping polish. And so here I'm just using a thin dotting tool, and I'm gently painting the red lines. And then with a white polish, I'm just filling in the ones that it's a thick line and it's got the 2 parts to it. And I did the same going across. Once I was happy with all the decals, I left them aside to dry, and then with a sponge and a glossy top coat, I just dabbed that on my nail to create a sticky base. And then I just stamped that on my nail. And finally, after some cleanup, I applied a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these Burberry nails. I thought they were very funky, very classy. The only problem was this, is that the stamping, the lines were so small, so I ended up going outside the lines a little bit, so it ruins the effect a little bit. So from a distance, they're alright. If you like this, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching, bye!